literally gets dressed better than I do.
Oh man.
Well, it is about to be 1 and we're still working on it. Most of it's put together. Just got to work on the harmonic balancer and power steering. Right,
Come on, is that not it? Come on, does that line up?
Almost. 1:40 in the morning.
Oh!
Finishing it.
Oh.
What happened?
218, and we got some fluid going in, tighten up the EGR, and engine back together.
There she is.
Yeah, 220, 219. No?
Well, it did a couple rotations.
All right, so we're trying it again. Check engine light.
Maybe
These.
Oh!
All right, last piece. It is 2:23 in the morning. Been working on this about 10 a.m. ish. Moment of glory.